Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees.
Turn around and bounce.
Hi my people, good day, good day. As you can see, I was trying out a makeup look because I'm trying to figure out what look I want to do for Halloween. Yes, so you're gonna see my Halloween costume that I plan to do and everything, and I'm basically going to do a vlog where I try to do a makeup for Halloween and everything. But this is me trying out something and everything. Anyway, so today's topic, let me get my phone. Okay. For October, because we're in October, and this is basically a scary topic. Why Jamaican men so creepy or scary? So it's a scary topic. Alright, so one, like most time if you're passing, if you live in Jamaica and you're passing, you see like people on the corner and all that. Even though many persons aren't on the corner lately because of COVID and all of that, but they stay on the corner early in the morning while you're going to work and telling you to come over. Alright, one of the most scariest thing is that I am going to work and you're on the corner and you're psst, or whatever, and you're telling me to come over for give you 1 minute or whatever when I have something important to do. I don't know if it works on anybody, but you're just gonna stop at the car and talk to this person they don't know, and anything can happen. So like, that's just weird that somebody would just go over and then busy to go somewhere and just must stop on the corner with you and waste them time knowing that they have somewhere important to be going. Because if you didn't have somewhere to go, then yeah, you maybe just stop at the corner and talk to the person. But most time persons, I know me, most time I have somewhere to go when that happened. Alright, number two. Yeah, next thing that I think is creepy, when they walk you down, and even when you're walking fast, like walking fast to get away from them because you don't want them walk you down, they tend to walk faster, like start to speed up walking, which is I'm like, yeah, when I start speeding up my walking or like walking like I'm about to run, it means I don't want you to walk behind me. But Jamaican men literally walk you down, and that's one of the things I find very scary, because you're walking me down and I don't know if you have anything or what your real intention is. Most time they're walking you down because they want to talk to you or want to get your attention. That's why they're walking you down. But I find it very, very weird to be walking down somebody, following them all the way to their bus stop or following them all the way to their home or something, just to talk to them or just to try and get their number or whatever. So that is really, really scary and also dangerous, knowing that in the time that we're living, you're walking down a female or whatever and to go to her neighborhood and you don't know if it's a valid neighborhood or whatnot, you can also lose your life. So that is one of the scariest things that happens. Okay, and okay, so Jamaican freaky men, that's number 3. So I realized that the freakiness has come to 100. Like, everybody turned into complete freaks now. And then, like, if you're standing up at the bus stop or you're somewhere and you see the people going to long out them tongue and do some weird signs, that means they want to, you know. And I'm like, why all of a sudden everybody gone so freaky and scary? Like, you have no shame in showing you what you plan to do to a female or what you plan to do. And I realize this will happen when people driving past, if you're at the bus stop and somebody driving past, whatever, they just do it. They just like langing out them tongue and showing some kind of sexual signs, which is past scary, past creepy. It's just absolutely weird and no shame. People just nowadays don't have no shame at all. And you realize that the men now in Jamaica, I realized, yeah, everybody got open with their sexuality, but you find out that many persons have no shame no more. Like things that people used to do, like in their bedroom or whatever, people just bring it out to the forefront now, and it's gone to, yes. Okay, so this is what happened recently with, you know, Jamaica and my neighborhood having lots of crime going on. And I realized that recently I was going, I don't know if I was going to work or going somewhere, but I know I was on the road and police are in my neighborhood, like they're in my neighborhood, park up or whatever, because they're trying to patrol the neighborhood. Anyway, so I'm passing by and then the policeman is like, psst, psst, whatever. So the policeman is calling to you. And I don't remember if hail him or say hi or whatever, but I know I was passing by, and the policeman said, something about them people like bad man or something or whatever. And I look back and like, what? Yeah. So I realized, like, police and stuff like that, people don't really have respect for the uniform anymore. And while you're on the job doing something like that, telling people what they like and what they don't like, I find it's very offensive, and it's like downgrade to uniform, and also not part of serve and protect the people, because you can't see because somebody is passing by or because they don't stop to talk to you. But it's not even just that happen, because it's just Jamaican men in overall. If you don't stop and talk to them, they think they have the right to tell you like who you like or what you gonna do or whatever. They start getting upset. So yeah, but that's the one that I find very, very weird that happen, because you're supposed to serve and protect people, not telling people what kind of man them like. And yeah, that's why you're not gonna protect them about fat. Yeah, just like a bad man mentality, and that's a no-no for me. All right. Okay, so this is the regular one, and I think I talked about this one already in a different vlog when I was talking about something that this girl did in this video, but I don't remember it. Like if you're wearing tights, this is number 5, because it's our everyday thing. Like, I like wearing tights, I like wearing shorts, and I realize when it comes to Jamaican men, like you can't wear certain clothes when you're going on the road, or you have to dress a certain particular way. So Jamaican men and tights are, you know, pum-pum. Yeah. So they start telling you, oh, you're fat and oh, yeah, wear tights or for cover it down or whatever. If I have to cover it, you must show it up or whatever. So this is the thing with me. Like, you can't wear tights or you can't wear certain clothes because you're worried about people calling to you or telling you, oh, you this. Even when they cover it too, they cover it with a shirt or whatever. They are like detectives. Them sit through the shirt or sit through the jacket or whatever until they say something fat. Yeah, so that is like creepy and also scary, because I'm wondering how I'm wearing a shirt tying around my outfit. Always see that. So yes, for my October, yeah, these are my 5 scary or creepy things that Jamaican men say when you're walking on the road, or Jamaican men do when they're calling you. So yes, so this is my 5, and for Halloween I'm gonna try my best to do more Halloween topics or something spooky. I don't know yet, but you know, stay tuned for my Halloween vlogs, because every year I do Halloween vlogs. All right, so yeah, with all that said, remember to like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you on the next vlog. Bye bye.
Why money ain't free? Why can't you just give it to me? I don't wanna work for nobody, I'd rather keep doing me.